Hello, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar, Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज R.B. नारायणराव बोरावके कॉलेज श्रीरामपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर. Students, today I am going to deliver the lecture on the special horticultural practices. This particular topic is from the third year BSc paper 5th, that is the horticulture and floriculture. The topic is from the paper 5th, horticulture and floriculture, and there are the special practices in horticulture. In last lecture, we had seen the special practice, that is the trainings of the plant, prunings of the plant, and there is the particular Bahar treatment for induction of the Bahar. Today, now we are going to see the special practice, that is the ringing, or what we call it as the griddling. Ringing, or what we call it as the griddling. Ringing or the griddling. Fruit growers face the situations of poor or no fruit of the tree in their orchard. Many times they face such a type of situation. There is the no fruits, or the particular the fruits having the small quantity to the particular plants. Then there is the particular to induce the more amount of fruit. It is again there are the particular factors why there is the less amount of fruit, or what is the situation of the particular food in front of the fruit growers. They face the problem. What is the reason? Because there are some external as well as internal factor that are responsible for the particular such a type of the situation. In case of the external factor, there is some environmental factors. Sometimes there is the climatic conditions are there, and sometimes, or again, the disease and pest also included into the particular external factor. Then in case of the particular internal factor, there are the factors that are coming from the inheritance, or what we called it as the hereditary factor. So this situation brings the particular less amount of fruits, or there is the no fruits in their orchards. So this situation fruit growers face. To overcome such a type of the situation, there are the special practices in horticulture, like the particular ringing or the griddling. So first of all, we are going to see the ringing or the griddling. What do you mean by the ringing? Ringing means what? There is one can define the ringing. There is the removal of circular strip of the bark Very simple definition is here. There is the removal of circular strip of bark, what we called it as the ringing. Means what? Suppose here I draw the figure here, how this particular circular strip get removed from the bark. Here likewise there is the removal of the circular strip from the bark, what we called it as the ringing. We called it as the ringing. Then means what? Means what? We break the particular, we damage the particular phloem part, break the particular phloem part. Here in case of the particular this one is the we remove the phloem part. This one is the particular phloem part. This one is the particular girdling. Here what we call we circular strip, we remove the particular circular strip of the bark. The term girdling or this particular term girdling is practices improving the for improving the quality of the fruit. Girdling or the ringing is used for the improving the quality of the particular fruit. So there is the particular half-inch cut. In case of mango, there is the half-inch cut and 2 feet above from the ground. There is the ground and the general width is of the 2 mm width. General width of the 2 mm in case of ringing is removed. So we break the particular flow of the phloem, or we break the phloem, only there is the xylem part is active, so that there is the from the broken part there is the particular initiation of the bud, and there are the number of branching, that particular branching forming the flowering and the fruiting. Then second one practice, that is the what we call it as the notching. Second one special practice, that is the notching. In some fruit tree the branches grow erect. Branches grows erect and do not sprout from the bottom part. Do not sprout from the bottom part. In some trees the branches grow erect and they do not sprout from the bottom part. So this particular practice is carried out in that particular plants where there is the branches not sprout from the bottom of the part. Here only the erect branches having the flowering and the fruiting at the particular terminal end, but the lower portion of the plant or the bottom part of the plant there is no flowers and fruits. To induce the flowers and the fruit to the lower part of the plant. For this particular notching practice is carried out. Then the basal, this particular notching practice, here there is the, suppose this much is the trunk, here there is the bud and the slant strip is cut off. It is partially with this particular ringing, but here there is the particular partial, there is the slant cut is given on the bark of the stem, and therefore the particular buds having the more amount of the particular carbohydrate or more amount of the nutrients, and this bud get sprout it from the branch, and ultimately or as a result of this there is the flowering and fruiting to the particular bottom part of the plant. Here the basal bud remain the particular dormant. Then therefore this particular operation carried out just above the bud. Look at here, this particular slant cut is given only on the above the particular bud, removal of, by removing of the narrow bark of the particular half inch size. Then there is the cut off the supply of the particular carbohydrate. Here we cut off the supply of the particular carbohydrate, and so that this particular bud get sprouting into the, it forms the branch. This particular practice is again the number of branches the practice is carried out, but this practice is very cumbersome, and so that it is not used at the commercial level. Then third one, that is the bending. Third one practice is that the bending. So bending means what? Here there is the, suppose tree, and these are the branches. Here again tying of the particular branches. So to increase the yield, one can define to increase the yield through breaking the dormancy, and lower and middle bud, and dormancy and lower and middle, what we called it as the lower and middle bud, the particular operation is known as bending. Here there is the particular, the branches bend to increase the, for what purpose? To increase the yield through the particular middle bud, or the lower and the middle bud, to increase the yield through the breaking dormancy and lower and middle bud operation is known as the particular bending. It is for sprouting the particular lower dormant bud. The bending practice is carried out for sprouting the lower dormant bud. Here I draw the figure of the plant. Here you can see the branches, and some branches go upward, but some branches here like this, there is the branch bent toward the soil, and it is tied with the help of stone, and so that it is for the sprouting of the particular, there is the sprouting of the lower dormant bud. This particular bending, here there is the, again it is tied by the stone or it is tied by the other branches of the trees. So this practice is for the carried out for the sprouting of the lower buds. So like this, there are the special practices in the horticulture. There is the particular ringing or the girdering. In case of ringing, there is the only circular cut is given to the bark and remove the outermost phloem part. In case of the notching, there is the slant cut is given on the above the bud, and in case of the bending, there is the branches bend towards the particular bottom surface, so that the sprouting of lower dormant bud, sprouting takes place in the lower dormant bud. Okay, thank you.